Hey, this is Andy from Madman AI, and in this video, we'll take a look at the performance table. To get here, go on over to your left-hand navigation and click on Performance. And we'll just take a look at this starting from the top. So, by default, we're looking at the last 7 days, but you can also change this to yesterday, 14 or 30 days. And if you have a specific date range in mind, you can either enter that manually here or select it using the calendar. And by default here, we're only showing live content, but if you wanted to, you could click on Show Paused, and that would show all of your paused content. And likewise, we're only showing Madmen content here. But if you did want to show everything in your ad account, you could toggle on All Campaigns. Okay, moving down to the table here. By default, we are showing performance metrics based on ad set, but if you did want to turn on campaign or ads, you could click on those column headers and those items will appear. Next, let's take a look at daily trends. So if I come down here and click on daily trends underneath any ad set, that'll open up a modal here where I can get a nice day-by-day breakdown of some important metrics for this ad set. Moving on over, we can take a look at the change percentages listed under each of these cells. And this is relative to the date range that you have selected. So currently we have 7 days selected, so that means that this CPR has gone down by 32.4% over the last 7 days. Now the cell is highlighted green because this happens to be better than our target metric. And if you want to adjust your target metrics, you can come on up here and click on the gear icon. This allows you to set targets for both CPR and ROAS. And while we're up here in the corner, if I click on the Optimize Budgets button, this will show you a table of all of your ad sets with automatically detected change recommendations. What we're doing here is monitoring all of your ad sets for either poor performance or good performance, which would mean that you would want to scale your ad set budget. And I will just note that this is a work in progress feature, so we do have more planned to come. All right, that's it for this one. As always, let us know if you have any feedback about this feature and how we can make it better for you. Thanks.